Last name? Mr. Merchant, where did you think you were coming? To the beach today? You're in shorts. This is a courthouse. Stop. Would you go to church like that? Right. This is a courthouse. We expect you to dress accordingly. It's a big sign of respect when you don't. You understand, sir?
Yes, sir.
You are charged with assault of a family member. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you, sir. Okay, come
On
on.
February 22nd, 2026, in Harris County, Texas, officers dispatched a disturbance call. Complainant stated she and defendant are married, and that she got in her truck after she told the defendant to get ready, but he didn't get ready, so she left and was about to drive off until he got inside the car. Complainant went to visit her mom and usually dropped the defendant off at a gas station, but he did not want to get out of the truck this time. Complainant asked the security guard for help, but he said he was off duty and drove off. Complainant told defendant to get out of the car, and he told her he was going to call her stepmother. Complainant then shot defendant 5 times with a BB gun in the chest area and near his arms.
Wait, what? He shot her in the chest with a BB gun?
Complainant shot defendant.
Oh, she shot him.
Yes, Your Honor. Complainant then went inside the gas station, was about to pay for an item, when defendant then grabbed her by the neck from behind and threw her down and started beating her up, resulting in her.
If someone shoots me with a BB gun, I'm gonna get pissed off too. What the flip?
They both.
No. Let's do this. Just take a seat for me. I'm gonna appoint your lawyer and then I'm gonna have to talk to a lawyer and then we'll go through problems. Do you mind, please?
It's up there. This one.
I'm gonna get him to sign the receipt this way. I'm just gonna get you to sign the receipt.
That's,
Go ahead and sign the complainant.
let's wait till defense and then we'll, but I mean, really,
Ready for the next?
please.
Page 22. American.
Come up.
No, they want him in the jury box. Third.
Good morning, Mr. Merritt. Sir, you're charged with assault causing bodily injury. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you.
On October 3rd, 2026, in Harris County, Texas, officer at Bridgeland High School was called to the nurse's office and met with complainant, who stated that 3 to 4 guys ran into the restroom yelling at him. He started hitting him all over. Complainant stated he did not know the other students. He described his pain as a 7 on a scale of 1 to 10. A witness stated they saw the 3 individuals enter the restroom, yell, quote, "Nah, fuck you," and punch complainant into a corner. One of them held witness between the sinks until he stopped and tried to give few punches in on complainant. Witness pulled him off and the teachers walked in and 3 boys ran away. Another witness identified defendant as the one beating complainant up, while another.
So that we have a witness that identifies him.
Yes, Your Honor.
Got it. Okay. And this is in a high school or where was this?
High school, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Merritt, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case as a condition of your bond. I'm ordering you not to go back to this high school and not to have any contact with the complaining witness. You're not to be in possession of any weapons. If I find that you put hands on anyone else, I'm going to put my hands on your bond, revoke it, make it extremely high, and you will go to jail. This is not a revolving door. If I have to put you in jail, it's going to be a high bond, and that's where you stay. You understand me? Would you like a court-appointed lawyer, Mr. Merritt? Okay. I need you to fill out an application for me. Deputy here is going to give you an application. I'm going to have you sign a reset with Victoria, and then I'm going to have you take your seat in the jury box. Also, as a condition of your bond, you were ordered not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs, and I'm going to test you. If I find that you're using illegal drugs, including marijuana, Likewise, into jail you go. You understand? All right, come on.
Right this way, go ahead and find your reset. All right, Judge, next is page 30, Sabora.
Oh.
Morning, sir. Sir, you're charged with driving while your license is suspended. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you, sir.
On February 26, 2026, in Harris County, Texas, officer conducted a traffic stop on a vehicle with expired registration. Officer observed defendant's driver's license to have a non-eligible status. Officer also observed defendant to have no insurance on his vehicles, which defendant confirmed, but then later stated he did have insurance that was required due to a prior DWI.
Okay, does he have anything open, any DWIs or any?
No
Other-
open, Your Honor.
Okay, and license is currently,
I'm running it right now.
please. As a condition of your bond, Mr. Tabor, you are not allowed to drive unless you have a valid Texas driver license. You must also have liability insurance. These are your bond conditions. If you violate this, I don't care how minute you think it may be, I will put you in jail. No more PR bonds. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Stop. No. You need a lawyer. We're going to give you time to hire a lawyer.
Oh,
But in the meantime, you're going to be signing a promise with me. This is an affidavit that you're not going to drive. License or no?
Oh, sorry, Your Honor, not eligible.
You're not allowed to drive. You're going to be signing a promise with me today. You're not going to drive. If I find that you do, I can hold you in contempt, slap you with 180 days every time you drive. Do you understand? I don't care what you have to do in this life. If you want to drive, go get a license, go get insurance. And if you show it to me, then we can change these bond conditions. But if you don't, there's going to be HE double hockey sticks to pay. You
Okay.
understand?
Yes.
All right. I'm going to have you sign this and then we're going to reset your case to give you time to hire a lawyer.
I got the insurance right.
I'm-
Yes, I'm.
Your license is not eligible. I don't care what, if Mother Teresa gives you something,
I understand.
the license is not showing eligible in DPS's system. It is your responsibility. If you drive, and I don't care if you drove here, if you drive out of here, it's just not going to go well for you. You understand?
Yes.
I'm just not going to warn you again. I'm just asking you to follow the law. I'm not asking you to split the
Okay.
atom. Right. So I'm going to have you come up here, swear to us that you're not going to drive. I'll get you to Victoria. You will sign a reset and we'll get you out of here. I'm not asking for anything crazy, you know? Really?
Big fan of it.
Over here. Wait,
Thank you.
of course.
That's it for now, Judge.
Miss Kyles, can I talk to you for a second? Real quick?
Do you saw this one from the operating in the vehicle that is
Yes.
and this should show that?
Yes.
So, since we're signing the reset,
White House is no.
No.
Oh, no. Okay.
Go ahead and sign over here. I'm going to do this.
Happy birthday. He picked up a freaking aggravated robbery. Do you know this already or no? Have you been talking? You got angry text from who? From the van? Okay, have him call, meet me. Are you here today? Zoom in and have her come and we'll have a powwow. He's in our holdover right now. We'll have her come and then we'll call. We'll talk. Okay? And just let me know, just zoom in and I guess, just let me know. I'm waiting for you. Okay.
No.
Hi, are you ready? Come on. Good morning.
We have good news, the mom, GA in Berlin, wait for me this morning. I tested positive for THC, but not.
Great. Okay, so we will give him time for that to clear out of his system. We're just gonna keep doing the, drug testing weekly to make sure he's not using. We're just assuming he passes. At that point, we're gonna give you just to reset what we would do. But at some point, the weed has to be out of the system. It can't just continue to remain and remain and remain and remain. So, let's see. We put the bond conditions on him on 2/11, but I took him into custody on 3/2. So I will give you the benefit of the doubt. So I'm going to start the date from 3/2, which is the day that he got his surety bond, which is about 3 days ago. So I'm going to test him for weed 50 days from that day. Where's Mr. Gamon now? Come up
Sir.
around that way. We don't want you near the DAs.
Okay, so
It's the only way that I'm going to know that he's not using cocaine. As far as the weed is concerned, I know that he's going to test positive at least for the next 30 days. But at the 50-day mark from 3/3, if he tests positive, it tells me he's continued to use. I'm going to give you the benefit of the doubt, Mr. Gamon. From 3/3, I'm giving you 50 days to clear up from the marijuana. If you test positive after 50 days, that means that you've continued to use. And guess what happens? Exactly. I'm not asking you anything crazy, just to clean up. You test cocaine again, I'm gonna lose it. You understand? Okay, all right. Thanks. Good luck.
Council.
Hey, so Mr. Bresson filed this. Oh, there you are. David, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Come on. I saw that you filed a speedy motion.
I did, because my client is like stuck in jail for immigration care.
Okay,
But my proposal is to set this for next week for like a pre-trial conference, and then just if we can get a trial date in case you reject.
no, I'm not gonna reject you.
No, I
I'll
mean,
do
what I'm
whatever
saying
you
is in
want.
case he rejects I think
Oh,
this is a deal, I've been representing this defendant for a couple of years, in asylum proceedings. He, he crossed the border. He's from Lebanon, but he crossed the border in Mexico about 2 or 3 years ago, and then applied for asylum. So he has an asylum trial that was set for next month in immigration court. Now, since he's been arrested, he's got an immigration detainer. He's gonna get transferred to immigration jail when he finishes here. And then he won't get out on a bond there, and he can either have his asylum trial, but basically sign for voluntary departure. So I'm just trying to get this done as quickly as I can.
I'll do whatever you want to do.
Okay.
If you want it, but I have to give them sufficient time
Yeah.
unless you waive notice,
I'm kind of,
but it's
I'll
up to
wait
you.
notice, but what I'm thinking is if we could go ahead and get a trial date for him and then just get like an interim setting for next week.
Yeah.
Because
Sure.
he's gonna talk.
Have you evaled it for trial yet or no?
No, Judge, the client can speak Arabic and we're not translated for Monday.
Oh,
Oh,
that
so,
kind of makes it
yeah,
even more
I-
difficult. Are there any videos in Arabic? Because then you're gonna need at least 45, right? Or is it 90? 45?
There are videos, Judge. I don't know if they're in Arabic. You got it. For that.
Just,
I talked to the complainant about like 20 minutes ago. She's on the work with the state. Like, he may end up taking a plea bargain, but I mean, even if you set me out 45 days, like I'm fine with that. I just want to get the date.
whatever you want, it's gotta be at least 30 days. You
Okay.
pick it, I don't care.
Okay,
Just, and then in the interim, just, I guess, let's take a week, eval it, and we'll come back. So I'll give you like a soft trial date for now, and then
Sure.
we'll give you a pre-trial conference date of whatever you
You
want.
think, can I get it set for next Tuesday, just because I think we might resolve it? Yeah,
Whatever you want, Dave.
and then I'll get
Doesn't
it.
matter to me.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Sure.
Thanks, Judge.
Thanks, David. Hi, Mr. D.
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
Good morning. Please.
Yes, sir, Your Honor. Spoke with, the coordinator here. I have two cases I need to
Okay.
approach on you because of the, duration of one case.
Who's first?
Let's go with Trishika Jackson,
Jackson. Just last name, please.
Jackson.
Okay.
She was in a absconder. She looked like she picked up another case
Correct.
and,
Whatever you want, really. I mean, I don't,
well, it's my understanding, and you may know more about it, I believe she's gonna accept an offer from felony on the next setting. If the state would be amenable to checking that for me. Yes,
that's
sir.
tomorrow.
That's tomorrow,
Right.
6.
Is there a global resolution, Sean, you
That's
think?
what I'm looking at, Your Honor. I mean, I spoke to felony about it. I don't know if they
She told me. that they were
Yes,
gonna
so
give her
she's-
probation, right?
planning on taking 2 years deferred.
Council for reset?
She's been in trouble literally every year since 2001, and now she's gonna get on the deferred.
And she's on probation here.
She's what?
She's on probation here.
No,
She's not.
no, that's just an open case.
Oh, yeah, open case.
So are you, what do you want to do with this one?
So ours is part of that deferred. It's dismissal on ours.
Okay, so you're gonna dismiss this one if she takes that upstairs.
Yes,
Okay, so whatever you want,
We'll
Mr.
bring
D.
her- well, No, we can,
You
we
want
can just
to,
wait until tomorrow. We don't have to bring her back. She's gonna do.
well,
it.
we can't bring it back tomorrow. You want to do Monday or Tuesday?
If they're gonna dismiss the case, I don't see
Sure.
why we need to bring her back.
Well, I gotta give her a future date. So why don't we do like Monday,
Okay.
and then we'll check to see if they've,
If they completed.
just remember, because, you know, if she gets on a deferred, you guys don't file the nollie, she'll be stuck.
Right.
So I guess put a note just to kind of
Yes,
check to see if tomorrow, if they do the plea, if they do it, then you know, to go ahead and dismiss it.
Okay, we'll bring it back Monday. sir.
Yeah.
And the next one is, Mr. Deferred.
Just the last name, just last name.
Saddam. SALDANA. Saddam. She's on probation too, Judge.
Oh, Lord.
She has picked up, I think she picked up.
Oh, I remember Miss Saldana.
New charge. And, the problem is she has one technical, but it's not one that you can really violate.
We put her on probation on the 18th. 7 days later, she picked up the 2 felonies for criminal mischief and ignorance of eligibility.
Okay. With her criminal history and all this stuff, I'm not inclined to really, you know, given that, you know, is it always against mom, right? If I remember, it's like mom or someone in the house.
The dad is.
The dad.
It was the dad.
Is there an off on her case upstairs, Saldana? So there wasn't even a time to do anything.
7 days later.
Right?
Logan, sorry, Judge.
Did we ever do a TRS before?
We did.
What did they suggest?
Recommended Plea with medically assisted treatment and a recovery coach after she gets out.
I think it's a pretty good idea if they don't do anything upstairs.
It's, I think it's a good idea.
I mean, I don't know what they're gonna do upstairs, but hopefully they'll see.
Maybe they'll do the same thing. With some,
So let's hold it
yes, sir.
for the time being.
The only thing I have from them is that they reset for a TRAD yesterday.
Yeah, they.
Okay, so I think we're all of the same
Same
mindset.
page.
Okay, so we'll just do the day after and let's see what happens.
Fair enough, Judge.
Okay,
Thank you.
and then maybe we can kind of just all in.
Right. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Thank you, Mr. D.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Hey, how are you?
Hey, Mr.
Hey,
Wong.
Judge, how are you? Mr. Ronnie's gone over for a drug test.
Okay,
What is the plan, assuming the drug test comes back negative? She's enrolled in IOP. She's been attending for the last few weeks. We have a court date later this month in the felony court.
Hey, Colin.
I don't know yet.
Okay,
You're representing upstairs on the third.
I think it's headed towards probation. I've got a couple of things.
I'm not gonna do double.
Yeah.
It's just not, it's nonsensical, but
I mean, assuming she ends up on probation up there, she's gonna have to go into 10 days as a condition on the probation.
I'll honor that too.
Then you
And
could
then
just,
we'll do 30 and same thing.
and then you could just unset
Yep,
her. and just-
Yep. But I think that therapy is certainly,
No, I agree. And she's in it, she's doing it.
okay.
What about these?
If that's the case, then
Yeah.
we're on the same side.
Okay,
We're on the same boat.
do you want to keep the scram on her? I have to ask. I'm not saying you should take it off, just saying she would like it.
I'd like hair.
Okay.
Is that gonna happen? Unless you're gonna pay for my surgery. No,
I see it on TikTok all the time.
no, that thing's staying on for the next 5 years, man.
Yeah, no, it's,
Obviously not, but
it doesn't look like a fun.
it's not supposed to be fun.
No,
And
no.
the problem is that she's not getting it. I mean, is it gonna be prison that's gonna get the attention?
No, I
Really?
understand. I certainly understand the position on that.
Right.
So, but
Oh, in the hallway.
I mean, I don't know when the case resolves, at that point, I'm
do you want another
amenable.
court date here?
Yeah,
Okay,
right. So you're not gonna, is it gonna resolve on the next one?
I don't think so, because I've got to wait and see what happens with the ALR. That's kind of our one shot at it, is the
Okay.
try to stop. issue.
I'll hold it with you then.
Okay, so we'll just put it on the same.
Right,
as
I
the
just,
felony.
assuming she has no,
Yeah, obviously, I know all that.
but understand if there's any, then I'm gonna go bananas, huh? Okay,
She's been,
just no harm. All
every
right,
time you yell at her, I go out. and she's getting yelled at, like, and then her dad, so
right?
maybe.
Well, I mean-
Get through. I understand, okay.
Okay,
Well,
so
obviously
we'll
she's
just
gotta
set you
have
for the day after.
that. Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Okay, thanks.
That motion to see trial for Dan's case, did you remember? Yeah. we have that.
Where is the?
She went to the. So. One six of. We're not gonna solve it, I don't think I'm gonna do them. 127. Yeah, that was that way.
Hey, I don't see you enough anymore. What's going on? You know, really? That bad?
Yeah, I'm gonna go upstairs.
I'm gonna leave that for a second.
Literally. Yeah, perfect, okay. Thanks. Yeah, if she's positive. I really don't.
Hey, Aaron, if she's positive, I need you.
I know.
Okay.
I'm kidding. There's something not fine. Okay.
But when not.
So, because I do like, you're
Hi, please, just the last name of your client, just the last name. Kelly? Okay. Give me a second, let me see who it is.
Yeah. No. Regardless. They'll come back. Yeah. I don't know the answer to that question. Yeah. No. Yeah. Yeah. Is this? Not great. Okay, so it's kind of say it's 2 applicants. Yeah. Also doing that condemnation, that's not good. I'm bad. Well, she is accused of multiple. So, I'm just like.
Hey, come talk.
Oh, excuse me. We're here on Kimberly Brown, Judge.
Okay,
So she wasn't magged. We don't know why, and she was rolled over a few times, so
What?
legally she's a refusal since custody, but she is requesting a bond and say this codes, and I didn't know if you wanted it
Well,
brought up,
we have to magistrate her.
right? But
Mm.
on admonition by counsel,
Do you
she
have
wants
the
the
documents?
so.
She never made it to PC court, Trent. She was in custody on a local case, but they didn't vote her on the out of county case. So,
Why?
Sometimes they just don't see it. They have a line on J-Web and then they just don't look it up.
let me
Just it's not common, but it happens.
instead of getting matched in PC court, they bar here. And that way, I think for Friday. I mean,
Is she wanted on, my goodness, on the
Well, I mean, technically, the,
production, distribution, or possession with intent, Schedule 1 narcotic? Is that right?
and she's also wanted for drug paraphernalia and proper equipment license plate on vehicles, but that's obviously not what we're talking about.
Okay. So is it 4 things then? Because there's also a theft.
It's 3 things. It's just, right. I don't know why they did it that way, but. Oh, you're right. There's a second. So, and that.
So there's 4 total.
Yes.
Do you have all the documents? for the membership?
I have no pen, no, you did nothing.
We don't have anything.
No, I know. Well, I mean, we have the original fugitive packet that doesn't have, it just has what she's wanted for, but it doesn't show.
How can we get it? Because I need.
I don't know. I mean,
I mean, I can print out the packet on the board printed. Just so,
There's a specific form that I'm looking for that we sign for magistration purposes.
oh,
That
yes.
advises of all the warnings, and then they sign that they've received all the warnings.
I mean, but at this point, because they're in home court now,
I know, but I still have to do it.
that's gonna be crazy.
Judge, I mean, it would just be a waiver or refusal.
Right, because that's effectively what the approach is for being.
Because the paperwork that's on deeds is like the teletype and affidavit from the jurisdiction, and then the other thing that we get is maybe a reset, but we got all those.
Not all the time. But yeah.
Hey, can I give you a cost number, please?
Yeah, I got one.
2608 562. 562. She's been in jail since looks like 2/27. She has a fugitive case in a local, made bond on a local, but they never magged her on the fugitive. So I need the paperwork. I don't have anything. Neither does Trey.
You know, she doesn't get her versus 9 minutes.
Yeah. Hey, is Brown in the holdover? Brown?
Yeah.
Jail docket? She is? Yeah, she's in back. Thanks. Sorry. Okay. All right, I called admin to see what we can do about getting paperwork. I need maybe like 5-10 minutes, and then I'll try to get everything, and then we can.
I'll send
Get
it
it
on.
done.
Big judge. No,
Okay.
she doesn't. She can hear us tomorrow.
One signature right now, right?
Okay.
Good, okay. No, there's no- okay. Just take a seat, Mr. Ronnie. We'll help you in a second. Hi, good morning.
Okay, Judge, page 25, Raina, come on up. Oh, she's in. I forgot to know. Oh, because I was saying it was.
All right, you are Mr. Reyna. Sir, you were charged with theft. You were facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you.
On February 26, 2026, in Harris County, Texas, Officer responded to a theft at a Home Depot. Complainant observed defendant conceal numerous items in his pockets while shopping and wearing a cap and sunglasses, which were Home Depot merchandise. Defendant purchased a few items, but did not attempt to purchase the cap, sunglasses, or any of the merchandise concealed in his pockets. Complainant stopped defendant after he passed all points of sale without paying for the items. Total amount stolen, $114.17. Defendant admitted to taking items without paying.
And Mr. Rayner, I'm going to find that there's sufficient probable cause to go forward with your case. As a condition of your bond, you will order not to go back to Home Depot or pick up any new cases. If you do, I will revoke your bond and put you in jail. I don't know what your immigration status is, but if you're not in this country with permission and you go to jail and immigration finds you, they will put a detainer on you and you will be stuck in custody for an extremely long time. You sit in jail until our case is done, then you get shipped off to immigration, where you will sit for another couple months. Do you understand? Do you have the ability to hire a lawyer?
No.
How do you support yourself, sir?
Right now, I'm not working.
I will have you fill out an application. I need to know everything about you. You're still walking, somehow you still eat. How do you get money to eat? How do you stop? I want you to put it on the paper because I need proof. This is a court. We work on proof, not on spoken words. So I need to know how you get money, how much money you have in the bank, if you have a car, how do you get income, any other sources, and then I'll take a look to see whether you qualify. I will have bond conditions created for you to sign. Do not leave until you sign these bond conditions. And I'm warning you now, you endanger my city one more time, it's really not going to go well for you. Do you understand? All right, come on. Deputy, do you mind giving him an application, please? Give an application, should be right there. Thanks.
Judge, are those states on it?
Yeah, no new cases, no going to Home Depot.
Yes.
I don't know. 0795. I have
I need to run off and do something, but I'll be back in like maybe. Hey,
Figure it out.
They're on it, so which they said that they need to go through this.
Also.
Okay.
When it's the same. County, and that's incorrect, when it's the same state, different. It is. So. Yeah, because sometimes the computer gets it and it actually. Has all its own stuff. When one bills, the other does, it's still the. So.
Yeah.
Page 17, 18, Judge.
So the case is what, around 150 days old?
So there's two.
Right, with the other one is about 550 days old.
Right, and
The other one is,
That was like 60.
no. He's been on, hold on, let me see.
It was a 2 week.
Yeah, you're right. Correct. Okay. Sure, we'll give you more time. All the conditions will continue as is, you know. If he violates again, if he misses a test, let him know that it's just going to continue to happen. The next time it's going to triple, quadruple. So let him know, just no more violations. What are you thinking?
So we still have an issue with his home being right across the street from the, his home, the terrorist case. And with him having nowhere else to go, he paid for a hotel room, this past week. Even though
Where exactly does he live? I mean, I guess what I'd like to do, counsel, is if you can, I guess, let's look on a map to see where his house is in relation to the other house of the complaining witness. I'd like to know.
I understand it's directly across the street, but I'll definitely.
Yeah, I mean, I'm not gonna let him go within 200 feet. I don't want him going anywhere near this person. Right, there's a big history and the prior terroristic threat, is it the same complaining witness? No, I just don't want him going anywhere near the person, you know? Let's figure out how far the houses are apart and I'll set a reasonable limit. Because I don't want him to violate again, but I just don't want him to walk in front of the house or try to go near it, try to go up to the door or anything like this. So we'll set a parameter of what's reasonable that he just can't go near it. And I'm with you. I don't want him to violate again. So, but we need to calculate to see what the distance is and then we'll set something reasonable.
Sure.
Yeah, okay. And just let me know.
Okay.
And then we'll have the state look and see, I mean, you make sure that you're okay with it too, and we'll go from there.
Yeah.
We
are okay. I've spoken to you yesterday.
We just don't want any more new cases. Yeah, okay. So just let me know.
Yes.
You do a lot of petitions on that one?
Yeah, everything the same, except for we're gonna tweak the distance as far as the GPS. Yeah. He's monitored. It's Kelly, last name Kelly.
Any happy news, Judge?
You're
Oh,
on.
let's see.
Come on up.
She said it should be in deeds now. Let me see. I literally just got a text. Hey, what was the last name again? Brown. Thanks.
Yeah. So it's a text to the order now. But if we were negative, so we just send it on this.
I don't see it, do you? Yeah, I don't. Mhm. Okay, yeah. Hey, it's always been an issue, always.
No, I know. It's.
He was extremely rude and not very nice to the people at the place that he was testing. He was, hey, what was the word? What was,
Oh, if they just wanted that he was getting better, whatever, they were trying to pick up on conditions because they wanted to say that it's very big.
it's been like that since beginning. I mean, it's like, it's the same thing over and over. What do we do with Mr. Gustav?
We are asking for a dismissal or a set for trials.
I'm ready to do it now. It's just way too much drama as it is. Yeah. Have you evaled for trial?
Eval the evidence judge have had trouble contacting.
So you need to eval it. So let's set it for early next week, maybe Tuesday. Eval it with Dr. CW, see if you can go forward. If not, then, but after that, we'll set it. And I'll load it for that. Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
But just let him know if he's combative again, then I'm just gonna put him in, be done with it. Please.
Okay, thank you, Brad.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, I think it's good time. I think we encourage you to have this.
Hey, on Brown, the jail case, so fugitive case, do you have Indeed's fugitive? Can you check? Just those 3 days, is it? Oh, maybe it's in, is it in pending maybe? Let me see. Hey, it's in pending. I think.
Are you able to see it, the judge? Because if you're able to see it, that's enough for a monitor.
Thank you very much. I'll take a look. Council for reset.
Hey, there's a particular form I'm looking for to magistrate then, where I give them the warning from the assignment to receive the warning. Yeah. I don't find it more.
Council for reset.
Okay, yes, I'll wait. Okay. It's not there. She's getting, she went in. Yes.
We know. Council for reset.
Hey. Hi, Jed.
What's up, Judge? How are you?
How are you? Hi, Shreya.
Hi, Judge.
Deputy, there's on the sound bar, there should be a power button on this side over here. You just don't mind hitting it one time. It's like in the middle. Shreya,
Yes, Judge, I'm here on Jalen Robinson.
is there anyone here on Jalen Robinson? Did you talk to anyone in the family, Shreya?
Yes, the mother's there. The grandmother has stepped out. But that's okay. We can go forth without them.
Well, I'd like them to hear.
Yes. Do you think maybe you could step out in the hallway? Maybe they're out there.
Do you mind stepping out in the hallway and asking if there's anyone here for Jalen Robinson, please?
Council for reset.
No answer, Shreya.
Could you
Okay.
give me a minute, Judge?
Do you want to call back in the holdover to talk to him first?
I did. I tried to call the holdover. Yes, if I could do that, and then I'll try to track down his family.
Okay. She needs to gonna call back there to talk to Mr. Robinson. The number should be 3199.
Yeah. Okay.
There's a phone back there that they can talk to lawyers. She'll call back there and then they can communicate, please. All right, go for it, Treya.
Thanks. I'll be back.
Okay.
Is it, one man camera?
Okay, well.
I'm cutting off her.
Doesn't have a cord. A phone cord.
Just favorite approach.
Yes, ma'am. Come on up. Hi, just last name.
Hawthorne.
Got it. Okay. And what's the deal?
So we've been waiting for approval on the PTI.
Okay,
So this morning I learned that the PTI was denied.
really?
I'm just trying, yes.
Give me one.
really, so
Let me call you right back. Call you right back.
I was just speaking with the states, kind of trying to ascertain why it is that it was denied. But the response I'm getting is because she had marijuana in her system with me, but
I don't, is there still some kind of appellate process or?
No, it's something that has to be approved by the deputy chief, and the deputy chief isn't available, and it gets approved by me.
Got it. Okay.
So I would be the appellate process.
Touche.
I didn't mean that. I didn't mean that.
That's okay. No.
mean that
Because
for-
normally there's a way that they can go, so, but,
It
okay,
did not have the normal process because we did not have a deputy chief available.
okay. So I don't know.
it was my understanding that the PTI, the program itself, is in place for people such as my client. That's what I thought. However,
I don't know.
Yeah, PTI is in place. It is a tool that we get to use, but it is discretionary based on what we decide. It is not something that has to be offered, nor should be expected. And we do it when we think it's appropriate. I did not think it was appropriate in this case, so I did not approve it.
So look, what we can do is I'll set you off for a week. You guys talk about to see what you want to do, and then just come back and let us know. The case is old, it's 200, so we have to figure out where, do you have offers on the case now?
They were gonna put an offer on it.
they just
Yeah.
offer, 12 months probation and then I.
Yeah, so they just put a standard.
So that they haven't,
I'm okay.
yeah, right. yes.
So you just take your time.
Okay,
We'll give you a week,
okay,
figure out, and then just when you come back, let us know.
all right.
All right?
Very good.
Okay.
Thank
Thanks.
you.
Hey, I'm sorry. So I had somebody at the but so the phone cord is no more. So there's no more phone cord? Did you find one? Oh, okay, then get on. Let me get on. Got it. Okay. Bye. She's talking to them now. I don't. Yeah, they need to be able to somehow. So, thank you. Okay, you ready?
Yes.
Okay, tell me.
We're gonna do 20.
20? I think that's like, that's.
17 pounds, we keep it down. 17 to 27 on the addresses. They're right there. The probation said they could do as short as, I think, 15. Free trial.
Have you reached out to the complaining?
I have, Joe, just spoke to her yesterday.
And
She's not opposed to something like that. She just wants no contact. So as far as that, as long as he doesn't make contact with her, that's her only concern.
so I mean, 15 feet is like from me to the table.
I'm trying to go from.
How is it possible that two people live in two different houses and they're that far apart? You know?
So I think it's, they can go up to as low as 15 feet, but I think the houses are probably a good. 15 part.
Yeah, probably so good. What I'm thinking is, if he's passing by in the car, I don't want that GPS to go off. So I'm trying to get a setback from the street to that house, which is probably about 25 feet. 30 feet at most. I don't want any issues on there and say, hey, we.
Okay, so do 30. I think we'll do 30. Hopefully he doesn't, if you let him know, it's his responsibility to see where the marker is, so he doesn't go anywhere near this person. You know, and typically neighborhoods have two ways.
Correct.
You can always go around the other way, you know, so it's not critical, just one way, right? I guess it could theoretically be a cul-de-sac, but this isn't a cul-de-sac, is it?
No.
Right, so there's a second way. Okay, so we'll do 30 feet. If he violates again,
Understood.
okay,
You understand that?
okay, thank
Thank
you.
you.
All right, take care.
Morning, Judge.
Howdy.
Pretty good, yourself?
What's up?
I got my little day this morning.
Okay. Jail or bond?
Bond, Judge.
Anything in particular you'd like?
Just a short reset for an eval.
Yeah, you're at 180, so it's time.
179. I was told.
Do you have an offer on the case?
We do have an offer, Judge.
Are you happy with it?
No, of course not.
Well, I mean, sometimes you are.
This is true. Today's not the day.
We'll give you a week.
Yes, is that fine? Yes. I've already.
But
seen
at that
everything
time,
ready.
she's got to be here, ready to either
Yes,
accept it or reset
yes,
it.
of course.
Okay, for sure.
Thanks, Judge. Yes, sir.
Hey, Judge, how are you?
Hey, well, come on up, man. Just the last name, please.
Frost.
C?
Frost.
Oh, got it. Thank you. Hey, good morning. Where are we with it?
She had her, well, we've been waiting for PTI approval. I believe the chief is gonna go ahead and approve it now that she has insurance proof. Showing that the claim was settled.
Is it definitely getting approved?
Yes.
Because I'd like to, is she here now?
No, she's not here.
It's 200 days, so she's got to be here, is it one day next week, and we'll send her to do a
That's
TRAS.
We are, well, she was supposed to have it, yes, on the 2nd, but she was sick. She got to reschedule to tomorrow.
Oh,
So
perfect.
TRAS should be done.
Okay, so we'll give you about a week, 2 weeks.
Get the contract, all that stuff.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Okay,
All right, thanks for that. Y'all have a good day.
just let her know no more waived appearance. She's got to be here from now on.
Next setting,
Yeah.
unless she's.
Correct. Ralph, just the last name, please.
Yes, sir.
Who do you have?
Cardoza.
Okay,
Your Honor, he's considering taking the deal.
he's been considering since February.
Well, I didn't realize that's.
It's 234 days.
No, I was told that.
Sure.
He was talking to an immigration attorney.
Well, he's had
Yeah.
many days to do that. We're now at 234. He's been considering an offer since early February.
No, you got a point. I gotta look it out and. I certainly sure. That's what he tells me. I mean. We got the big offers.
18-month probation.
He wants to consider all this. He has DWI, PCS, burglary, DWI second, DWI third, another BMV, and now,
He has that in his priors or.
no, priors. But regardless, he has until Monday. He has until Monday.
Okay, Judge.
If he's not done by Monday, he's gonna come back Tuesday. If he doesn't have it done by Tuesday, he's gonna come back Wednesday. But,
I'll work it out. He shouldn't worry about immigration. He's got those priors.
well, I don't know. Regardless, it's 234. He's had already many.
I'll be sorry, but it will be.
He's got until Monday.
All right, Judge, thank you.
Who's next?
And I've got
Just the last name.
Hernandez.
Okay,
He was set up for a plea.
well, on 212, we gave him 2 weeks for clear trial. Then on 226, we gave him more time. And so now,
I'll proceed to do.
okay, let me know.
And then, I've got Kanan, K-N-A-N.
Okay,
This is one where.
yeah, it was denied.
I'm sorry?
The PTI was denied. We gave you guys 1 week to
Right.
either clear trial. We're back.
Unfortunately, we have to set that one for trial.
Well, I don't unfortunately. If you want to set it, set it.
Right,
It's
right,
okay.
Judge.
But understand, come up, Mr. Kanan.
I don't think he accepts the concept. He's almost admitted to it, but.
Doesn't just,
Right.
do you have offers on these cases?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, I want you to understand something and I want you to hear me loud and I want you to hear me clear. I have enough drama in my life. I don't need any more. If you set this case for trial today, you will go to trial. I'm not gonna accept any more plea bargains after this day. Because everybody has to prepare, everybody's got to get a work done, we got to get the jury here. I don't want to waste everybody's time for you to just, okay, I'm gonna do something on the day. No. I have, your case is over 200 days old. We've given you many, many opportunities to look at the evidence, talk with counsel, decide what you want to do. I'm okay with setting for trial. If you do, that's it. You were going to trial. Do you understand? Are you familiar with the offers, correct? Okay, I'm gonna let you guys decide what you want to do, but understand, once you set it, we're going to trial. Do you understand? Okay, let me know. So if you want to set it, we'll give you 30 days and then we'll go to trial in 30 days.
Set for trial in 30 days, if he wants to.
If he wants to set it for trial, then we'll give you 30 days from today and then he'll go to trial 30 days from today. Sure. Okay. They're emailing it and they're rushing it now. So we can get it done. That was at 10:15.
So let me look at this. I don't get the fastest.
Usually, I'm honest with the victim, so that and then explain.
Okay.
But if you prefer that.
No, I just need someone to verify that you guys know this. And they haven't told me that I saw. But I haven't found it. I mean, it's gonna be. You know what?
It's today.
That's exactly what it is. I'll make sure service. I'm so sorry. Yes, I'm so sorry.
Yes, I saw it. You got it.
Encouraging this.
Yes.
One second. I just. Yes.
Yes.
It looks like it's gonna be okay.
Is it ready? They're making it. If not clear trial Monday. Okay. Yeah. They don't know anything, the nothing they have to do is right. They're not nothing because by then it's gonna be 240 days. We've given him so much more. He says he wants to talk to an immigration law. So, okay, that's fine, but we'll do that on Monday. You know, today's Thursday, I come up to go to Monday. They've had 234 days. They don't, it doesn't get there. And, you know, we'll. Those people. He's gonna do it, help him. They're no more town. Mhm.
Yeah, no opposition.
Right. Hey, come on up. You have a client today?
I have a.
Just the last name
Quick on
with a G?
Q.
Q, okay.
It's an unopposed non-disclosure.
I'll grant it. Okay, I'll grant it.
All right, cool. Yeah, thank you.
Have fun.
Sure. There's a lot of shit.
So I'm gonna case something that's probably not gonna be on. Maybe it's just. Oppose him. What do you think? So oppose. Well, she might be this. Yes.
His expression is not right.
It was actually.
Yes. Yeah.
It's not in there. That's all this. Yeah, I'm looking at the email you sent. It's not in there. No, but there's also a medical that tell them that, you know, if they have the right to sign and get the right to a lawyer, they have the right to an examiner or what, you know? And then they sign indicating that they've been informed about it. That form. Every time I've maxed someone, I've always. I don't normally get these documents, but every time I've had to max someone, I've had that form. So they sign indicating that they've been given the rights. I swear. I swear.
I'm sure there's, I'm sure we have to do business, but I'm sure they do.
I don't even know where I could find it. I guess. Yeah, take it. Okay. Hey, do you mind bringing someone out for me, please? It's Ms. Brown. Yeah, she's. Yeah. Let's get you guys. Come on up. I'll magistrate her, but she can't find the form. Have you already spoken to her about waiving or whether she's not waiving or stuff like that? Okay, what? She wants a.
Well, she wants to argue for bond.
Yes.
Oh, sure, of course.
Right now.
That's okay. I don't have a problem with that.
And she only has one, that case, it's not the others.
Right, it's only the theft case, theft over 1,000.
What's up with those other ones? Because it shows that
They
they're.
merged two bookings at the same time. When they were booked at the same time, they just put it in one long form, which they shouldn't have separated.
But it's still four cases.
No, it belongs to another defendant. So they just.
Oh,
Right.
really? Huh, that's weird.
Just error.
And
Michelle has court here tomorrow.
Which is something that I'm gonna.
You're right. Okay, so that's Mr. Trevion.
I mean,
Yeah.
win, lose or draw, it's still gonna be, she has to show up tomorrow once they kick out the case, and that's in court 16. Have you spoken with the prosecutor then?
No.
It's Amy Tang.
my former intern found.
No, she hasn't.
Hey, what happened on the ag robs from 2023?
She was discharged on 2023.
What do you mean? Was she on probation for those?
She was on the deferred judge. But there was an MAJ. There are actually two MAJs filed, and then ultimately she was just discharged, early termed after the two MAJs, the amended conditions.
So she did successfully complete?
Yes. They ended the month. Oh, I apologize. There were 3 MAJs.
Good morning, Ms. Brown.
Good morning.
How's jail? You now are wanted out of Calcasieu Parish, Louisiana. You're wanted for a theft case. And there's several things that we need to talk about. So you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney appointed. We've in fact appointed you a lawyer so that you know everything that you say can and will be used against you. So be very careful what you say. Your lawyer is asking me to set you a bond. There are several ways that we can go through with this. You know, I don't have to give you a bond. We can, but you know, my main concern is, are you a dangerous person? And number one. Number two, if we give you a bond, are you going to go back? And are you going to leave a wake of destruction on your way back? Those are the things that concerns me. So if we don't give you a bond, you have several things that you can do at that time. You can contest or you can waive extradition. If you decide to waive extradition, we give Louisiana 14 days to come pick you up. If they don't come pick you up within the 14 days, Harris County releases you. However, as a that's whether they do or not, but as a practical matter, we have so many people in our jails from Louisiana. We have about 2 buses coming in and out every week, shuffling people to and from Louisiana. So once you waive, if you waive, you probably within the next 3 days be on a bus back to Louisiana to go take care of all that stuff. You understand?
Yes, sir.
I don't know whether to set you a bond. We're going to find out. I need more information. The only thing I do know about you, Ms. Brown, is that since 2023, you have picked up a theft by check, another theft, 2 aggravated robberies. In 25, you've picked up a criminal mischief. You now just picked up an assault and you're wanted out of state for another theft. You understand?
Yes, sir.
One, after the other, the other.
Must be.
Nope, hold on. I will give you a chance, but you need to be very careful what you say. Please.
So of course, they would be opposed to a bond because of her history from pleading the aggravated in 2019. She then since taken that deferred, was charged with theft, was charged with criminal mischief, which she pled guilty just 4 months ago. But the fact that she has an open assault at the time of this active warrant, I believe she is a flight and danger risk. I spoke with a sergeant in Calcasieu Parish who stated that if she waives today, she will literally be picked up tomorrow because they have another transport that they already approved.
Oh, wow, really?
So my
Fantastic.
argument for it is that assuming that she gets, if the court decides to elect to give her a bond, assuming that this process out this afternoon, she'll get released in the morning, but she'll have spent thousands more to have the same effect to get released tomorrow, to say nothing of the fact that she actually has to attend court 16 tomorrow for the arraignment, so.
Okay, Judge, she does have a daughter here who is currently staying with her god sister. She was working full-time at teleperformance and a call center, so she does have to drop here. She does travel back and forth to Louisiana, so she will definitely take care of this. She wasn't aware of it. She says that when she was arrested, the jails were too crowded, so they told her that they would be issuing the warrant, and then we never got any information.
Here's the thing though, if I were to set you a bond, it's gonna be probably pretty high. And because you're a fugitive, you are an inherent flight risk. So the customary 10% that everybody talks about or 5% to get you out, it's not gonna apply to you. you will have to probably pay most, if not all of it, just to get out. When state has already indicated that they're gonna come pick you up tomorrow to take you back to Louisiana. You understand what I mean? Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna give you a bond at this time. It's just way too much drama. You've picked up one case every year for the last 6 years. And the last one is another dangerous case. Ms. Brown, just way too much drama for me. And in light of the fact that they're gonna pick you up tomorrow, I think that it's probably a good idea to just hold off until that. Okay? Okay.
Let me know if you want.
Oh, one more thing. Do you have your lawyer's phone number in the court 16 case?
She's not appointed. That's right.
You don't, they didn't,
Tomorrow's the arraignment day.
oh, tomorrow's the arraignment.
Yes.
Oh, Lord. You need to let your family know or someone, or I guess at least let them know. Because the problem is that if no one knows, you get shuffled back to Louisiana tomorrow and you don't do anything about this arraignment tomorrow. The court 16 will issue a warrant for your arrest, and then the position you're in now is going to be the exact opposite and same position in Louisiana. So you're going to be stuck in Louisiana now with a Harris County warrant. So you're going to be a fugitive from Harris County in Louisiana. Exactly what's happening here is going to happen the same thing in Louisiana. So what we do is, I guess, we'll inform court 16, or maybe they'll appoint you a lawyer, or I don't know. But in the interest of justice, something so that, you know, I don't want to set her up for failure, you know.
I don't know.
Right.
But obviously, if she keeps her refusal, then I have 90 days to get it up.
Regardless, you need to stay in contact with her so that both of you guys are on the same page so that another warrant doesn't issue. Okay? Okay, good luck.
So we're gonna put that downstairs. If she decides to go, she needs to sign this. If it's refusal, just text me and tell me what date, whatever. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Judge.
Thanks,
Give me a
guys.
shout out.
Mr. Ash,
Yeah.
hey, buddy, just the last name, please.
Receiving.
Jail or bond? Okay, it's not too terribly old. You just want more time?
We were asking that, he's right now on alcohol monitor. This is the AFM. And I think that the facts of the case are that the CW was drinking. I'm not so sure that he was drinking himself, but he was with her while she was drinking. So he's been on the monitor, I think, 4 months right now. And he's lost his job and he's looking for employment. And so the monitors is for his schedule has been a little bit difficult. And so that's why he's asking that we could consider removing the monitor.
So, Joe, there was an indication of them both drinking that night, and that's why that was on. So right now, you just.
And the other assaults that he has was alcohol a factor as well, because I don't remember.
The CW doesn't have DWI.
Well, I don't.
I understand that. So the CW.
She's not the one that's got the case.
I understand that. She's, that's why I believe that she was drinking, and I'm not so sure that he was drinking himself, but okay. I don't think there's anything in the police report that there was.
There has to have been, Mr. Ash, otherwise I wouldn't have put it on.
Did he smell of alcohol, or he had alcohol concentration in his blood or anything like that?
So from the DIMS, the DIMS stated that the defendant began drinking alcohol or hanging out that night. So that's the indication of alcohol. As far as his other charges, Judge, there was no indication of alcohol in the prior AFM or the ABI.
Where are we headed with this case regardless?
Well, the CW wants to drop the charges.
Do you have an offer in this case?
So it's Farley's case. I put an eval in for her to eval it without a complaint. Be done by Monday.
Let's do that. Let's do this because they're going to eval for trial. We're going to see whether it even goes forward or not. Mark, can we roll it till the beginning of next week and then it may just be done anyways? Just pick a day at the beginning of the week. I don't care, whatever you want.
I'm full next week, but can I do two?
Well, you can always zoom in too. I have Zoom for you. You don't even have to be here.
Well, I mean, I'm gonna be here next week on the 12th, so we could do that or the 16th.
Do that and then it'll, you know,
We'll say that time for Val.
Yes, yes.
Okay, all right.
okay, thank
We'll do
you.
that. Thank you.
Ralph,
Yes, sir.
hey man,
I've got, Hernandez.
Yeah. what would you like to do with Mr. Hernandez?
Hernandez, what happened is he's on probation in felony court.
Right, we said it so that you guys could go upstairs and
Exactly. And that's what, if I'm asking for like a short recess or.
it's 200 days old and it's a suspended license case, man.
Okay, okay. No, I guess we'll, should I set it for plea?
Sure, I'll give you a week.
Okay, we'll set it for plea.
Set it for a plea, 1 week, but,
Regardless of what happens upstairs, we're gonna take it.
okay,
And I think it's time served, right?
Yes.
Okay, we'll take it no matter what.
okay. All right,
And just note that. Seriously, I don't want to.
just, it's a suspended license case, but now we're gonna be at like 215
No,
days
it should
old.
be done. I see your point.
Yeah.
Whether it's done or not, that's not gonna affect the probation.
I don't know, but at some point we have to put these,
No, right, you're right, Judge. Okay, I'll be. Thank you. Oh,
Okay.
And Kanan. That's Kanan.
Yeah.
He doesn't understand the concept of what he's charged with. I think he fall has to go to trial.
okay, set it. But like I said, I'm not taking anything and I'm not gonna tell, well, I didn't know what I was doing. I didn't know.
That's what I'm afraid of.
Right. Mr. Kanan, come up. What is a trial? What is a trial? Tell me, what is a trial? You need to understand because this is not a joke. If you're convicted, you're facing a year in jail. This is not a joke. You need to understand. What is a trial? No one wants to go to jail. But sometimes it happens. You need to know what happens if you are convicted. What is a trial? You need to know. If you don't understand, I'm going to explain it to you now so that you understand.
Yeah.
A trial is something where 6 independent people that within Harris County are picked. They will sit there. They will listen to all the evidence. They will look at videos. They will look at pictures. They will listen to statements from witnesses. And they will make a decision on whether you are either innocent of this case or guilty of the charge. You were charged with, it's indecent assault, correct?
Yes, correct. Yes, Judge.
You were charged with indecent assault. Did then and there unlawfully cause the complaining witness hereinafter the complainant to contact the saliva of the defendant without the consent of the complainant with the intent to arouse or gratify the sexual desire of the defendant. If they prove that, then you will very well be facing a year in jail. Just because what you think doesn't matter. It's the facts of the case and what the evidence holds. It's 6 independent people will listen to what happened. They're going to make a judgment call, looking at all the evidence. Your intentions don't matter. What you think doesn't matter. It's what the evidence shows. That's what really they look at to decide whether guilt or innocent. If there is guilt, at that point, you're facing a year in jail. You understand now?
Yeah.
It's very important. So you need to understand just because you set up a trial doesn't mean that this thing is going to go away. we will go to trial. If you're found guilty, then you're found guilty, and then we move on to the next phase of the trial. But it's not a joke. Don't take it lightly, because if you said it, we're going to go to trial. I'm not going to take this, well, I didn't know what was going on. I have no idea about this. I don't know about that. That's why I'm explaining to you now, so that if you do set it for trial, you are making an informed decision on what is going to happen, so that when we do pick a jury and when we do go to trial, you are going to go. There's no more after this point. I'll let you step outside, talk to your lawyer to decide what you want to do. What have you offered in this case now?
Right now, Judge, is a 2-year probation offer.
They have offered you, is it a straight or is it deferred?
That's straight.
They have offered you a probation now. So you need to understand whether that's something that you would like to do.
You want to, let me say that, to clear this up, he's willing to take the probation. Problem is, he can't admit what he did. That's just.
So understand, I don't make the offers here. The district attorneys here and the assistant district attorneys here are the ones who make the plea bargain agreements. I don't make them. I just either accept it or I reject it if it's inappropriate. So here, they have made the offer that they're going to make. You either accept it, you don't have to, but if you don't accept it, we are now at the stage where we cannot continue to kick this can down the road. You need to, at some point today, make a decision whether you want to accept it. If you don't, that's okay. We will set it for trial. But once we set it for trial, I'm not gonna, that's it. You will go to trial. So look, I don't want you to talk about it here in front of us, in front of the DA. Just step outside. We have witness room so you guys can talk in private. You make the decision on what you want to do. But today, your case is nearly 250 days old. I'm not going to reset it again. You must either take it today or get set for trial.
I'll talk to the judge.
Please.
Okay. Judge, may I approach?
Yeah.
Judge, I have Mr. Udo on your docket, and we're trying to enter him into DUI, but we still need a copy of the contract, so I emailed them again today asking for that.
Can you talk to Bernadette?
Sure.
Bernadette's here. She's in charge of everything. Maybe she can get it for you.
Can I get a short reset for that? Judge?
Well, yeah, but I want to make sure that you get the contract because we've been resetting this thing since December now for us.
Yes, Judge, when we did submit the financial affidavit information, he was rejected. I got an email this morning, he was rejected for that, so he'll have to pay the $200 fee.
Got it. Herman.
Hi.
Hey, bud. Just the last name. Who do you have? Okay. Where we at?
Waiting rip.
No, we've been waiting a rip since November. Let's get on with it. I'm not waiting anymore.
What was the last one?
Sorry, Carrillo.
Sorry, Carrillo.
The Stanglish way. I'm not waiting anymore, dude. You've had 5 months. No. Get on it, on it. What do you want to do?
I want an offer for the AMC and dismissal or an evaluation.
Oh, I was thinking it was a DWI. Okay. So.
I hate to do it a trial fee.
Well, that's between you guys.
No, I know.
Right. I mean.
Speaking out loud. Okay, before you go, it's gonna be another one.
Who?
Williams. That's the one I was telling you before.
Okay.
They're trying to locate the station video that.
You don't have it now.
You have videos. I don't know if anything is sticking.
So of the breath and all that, whether they inverted it or not, all that.
Well, that's
Bel
different.
Air.
Breath is different from the inversion.
Yeah, I mean, I don't want to see the 15-minute period and all that.
Do you know that it exists? For
Yeah, it's
sure?
in the DIMS report and Farwa agreed, but it's Bel Air.
Okay, we've set up for a 10-day discovery hearing. It's now past that, so whatever's not here now, that's it. We're at 200 days. I'm not waiting anymore. So whatever's not in now, that's it. It's lost. So do what you need to do. It's 200 days. We need to make a decision on what you want to do, whether you want to do PTI, whether you want to set it. So yeah, I'm giving you
But she's
two.
still a 1-7. Well, that's the problem.
I'm giving you 2 weeks. At the end of the 2 weeks, if you want the PTI, it's got to be submitted though.
Okay, is it PTO with no litigations?
Well, it's a s-
Once, I believe you did litigation.
You need to talk to Bernadette, I guess, about it, because that wrinkle, that's a new
Yeah,
wrinkle.
it's kind of a.
So
maybe a
we
date
talk,
of
that's a
revenue.
Bernadette question.
I might be able to revenue.
Yeah.
What's your, Randy, Eric,
Just last name.
Eric,
Okay.
Berkeley.
Jail or bond? Okay. What do you want to do? It's 180 days.
Yeah, no, please.
Oh, you got it. Okay. Ms. Parrott, come up. Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. You have worked out an agreement. They're offering you 15 days in jail with credit for the 5 days that you've done. This charge now, after today, you need to understand, will go on your record. It will be there for the rest of your life. From now on, it's a minimum of 30 days in jail from now on. The next time you get pulled over, officers will see this DWI. If you smell like alcohol, you smell like dope, what's going to happen? Very, very possible. So for the rest of your life, if you have even a sip, don't get into a car. Do you understand? You are giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers if you're not a citizen. There are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. This plea bargain or this plea today, it's done forever. You can never change this. This is what you want to do? How do you plead to the offense? Guilty or not guilty? I'm going to find you guilty. I'm going to follow it. I'm going to suspend your license for 90 days. That is the minimum. Do not drive until you get a license, and good luck. Thanks. Please see the clerk. Ralph, what's the word?
Mr. Kanan, was willing to take the deal.
Okay.
I just received the court that set up on Monday.
No,
Okay.
no, no.
He says he'll do it, so.
Okay.
Do
No,
you take,
it's now or never.
if we do paper police or do you?
No, we do electronic.
I have to get somebody to do it, so I'm gonna have Mr. Gordon's code. I'll get somebody up here.
Do you want to do paper? What do you want to do?
I can.
I mean, does the state want to temporarily attach them, so we don't?
Can you attach them temporarily?
You can absolutely
Okay.
sign with permission for the other attorney.
Yeah, we'll attach you temporarily.
Okay.
That way you can sign.
Sure. One, three, 3600.
Judge, I think Daniel's on Zoom for a.
Can I go with you? I just get, that'll be a good thing for me to do.
Oh, so I don't know why it's not, I put the, for it to sign, to sound when people come in, it's not. I'm sorry, Shreya, I didn't see that you were there. Next time,
That's
text me that you're there, so I see.
No worries, no worries.
Okay, give me once, I know yours is, give me 1 second. Hold-
Yeah,
hold.
yeah.
Hey. What's up?
Judge, so the person I emailed, Kenneth Henry, Dr. Bernadette, I had the email, so I'm just gonna see if I can get a contract as soon as possible, maybe hopefully in the next day or two, they'll send it to me. There's nothing else we're waiting on, because the license is valid, and he just needs to get the device and pay the fee.
Okay,
We're just
I
waiting
mean,
on the
pick a day next week.
Can I get 2 weeks, Judge, or
What's the last name?
it's Godot, Judge?
It's
It's like 190 days, so it's not extremely old, but it's getting there. But I will keep emailing Kenneth, because
I mean, it's 200 days now.
okay,
I'll give you 2 weeks, but if it's not done, he's rolled day for day until.
yes, Judge, I'm gonna see
I'm
if
not-
we can get this all wrapped up.
All right.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay. Daniel, Mr. Henry.
Yes, Judge. Good morning.
Do you need the last name of your client, please? Just the last name.
Last name is Montez Roman. It's 2 last names.
Page 49. Jail docket.
I guess we'll do 2 birds with 1 stone, you know, because he's got a guy that picked up a case, and then so does Shrey. Or should we bring your guy out? Okay. I'm gonna bring yours out. Do you need a translator, Mr. Henry?
No, Judge.
Okay,
Well, I'm not sure. I haven't met with him, Judge. It's an arraignment day. I was supposed to be removed from the pickup list for today, but I was told to Zoom on. So I haven't met with the client yet, Judge. But he has a PR bond in this court and he's being held on a felony.
well, oh, I don't have him listed as a lawyer on Montez.
I was just appointed. I haven't even,
Oh, I see.
been attached.
Got it. Okay, so I need Mr. Montez and Mr.
Robinson.
Robinson, please. Robinson and Montez, please. Yeah.
Deferred, come up.
Okay. Oh, okay. We don't have a complaint about this one.
Wednesday, Thursday. Thursday. All right.
Oh. I mean, you don't know. I'm gonna approach the rear end of the
Yes.
Okay, can you bring her up? We'll have us get your advice. Well, Jalen. Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you see on the TV, the lawyer right there? This is the lawyer on the left that's been appointed, the gentleman, no, not you, the other one. He's been appointed to represent you. You are on bond for a criminal mischief in this court. We ordered you as a condition of your bond not to pick up any new cases. You have now picked up a felony harassment of a public servant. I'm now going to revoke your PR bond. I want you to know what's going on. I mean, clearly have not made bond on the felony now, but this is not a revolving door, and I just wanted to give you a heads up that no more PR bonds. Do you understand, sir? I am so disappointed, Mr. Robinson. The intervention that I was trying to do with you was trying to stay as close as I could so you couldn't pick up any new cases. And now an aggravated robbery. Over, and over. I don't know what to do with Mr. Robinson, Shreya. I
Judge,
don't.
a couple things. I understand that the alleged date occurred while he was on bond. However, I'm asking to see if you just keep our bond as is, let felony handle their bond. I mean, it's a first degree. They'll handle whatever they need to do.
He picked up an aggravated robbery.
I mean, yes, he did.
We
However,
literally had violation after violation after violation here.
technically
And the
that,
family's mad at me?
well, they're also mad at me. And the date that we got him clean and on,
No, Shreya, the irony of the fact that they're mad at me and they're mad at you, and now he's picked up an aggravated robbery.
correct.
This is what's wrong with everything. I am now going to revoke your bond and I'm going to make them each $50,000. Mr. Robinson, you scare me. I have repeatedly tried to intervene with you to try to do everything in my power to prevent you from picking up a third case, truly trying to do everything, scaring you with this, scaring you with that, just nothing. Freaking aggravated robbery. Stop. Actions, Mr. Robinson, speak louder than words. And you are now on your third case, one of which is a 5 to life case.
Judge, can I get a reset date of March 17th?
Is there a bond set in the ag rob now? Do you know?
No, we just need to get him processed. So he'll probably be in processing and brought up next week sometime.
So if you do, I don't know if you're going to make bond, but if you do, you're ordered to be under home confinement. You are not allowed out at all. 24/7, you must stay at home. You will get an ankle monitor on your, you'll have an ankle monitor so I know where you are at all times. No drugs, no alcohol, no weapons. And there are 3 other co-defendants in this case, correct?
3 to 4, Judge.
Yeah. No contact with any of the co-defendants in this case as well. Before you put him back, I need him to sign the bond conditions first. When you go back there, get to know the old timers so they can really tell you what prison is like. It's not a fun place. And it's a place that you end up as a statistic. Once you end up with that felony conviction, I'm telling you, your life is damn near over. No one hires felons. No one gives jobs. You want to get a loan to get a house, to buy a car, to buy anything. You want aid from the state for something? Not with a felony conviction. You need to get to know them so they can tell you what it's truly like. Because when you hang with dogs, as you now know, you get pleas. Or 50,000 and
Judge Freya wanted to present his team.
she can have whatever she wants.
Okay.
Yes, Judge. Yes, thank you.
Thanks, Shreya. Hey, if you have any issues, just, talk to me and we'll, but,
We'll figure it out. All right. Thank you, Judge.
yeah, okay.
Okay, bye.
50,000. He can go back to, so on him, 5,001. This is Mr. Montes. And then whatever council wanted. Mr. Henry, do you want 415?
4:15 works, Judge. Thank you.
Okay, man.
Thank you. You have a good one.
Thanks, buddy. Please, just the last name of your client.
Sure. Norvell.
Norvell. Okay.
This is one where she's checking in to provide proof of employment to the court. We were here about a week or two ago,
How's
Judge.
she doing?
So she has a note from the doctor that says that due to her symptoms, she cannot work full time. But she's doing here, and I know we talked about it last time, she had only done 4 days, but now she's giving me a different estimate. Since the last 4 days, she did 4 people yesterday, 3 people Monday, 2 people Sunday, and 4 or 5 people on Friday. So it seems like she's getting built up, Judge, and business is booming for her.
All right, so let's set it 2 weeks. I want to see that she's still making it and
Okay.
same kind of. All right,
Okay, sounds good.
Okay.
Thank you, Judge.
Yes, ma'am.
No, I understand. I'm not going to.
Hi, guys, come on up. Hey, just the last name, please.
Speedy.
Okay,
Yeah, so we've been talking, we have some ideas.
Yes, they were positive for you.
oh,
I know this morning you did one where it's kind of thinking, I don't want to say expecting, but it's really to be positive.
he's on probation. He was never to use in the first place and he's testing positive still. How long has it been?
Probation since April 30th, 2025. Yeah, he tested positive for THC on July 9th, 12/29.
And he's still testing positive.
He was here last week. He sent him for a drug test. Then he tested positive for THC. This time he was positive for THC.
Come up, Mr. Steed. I hope above all else in this short life that we have that you are not using, because 50 days from the day that you made bond, you must test negative. If not, do you understand? That day is so I'm going to set it for April 6th.
Okay.
And we'll see what happens on that day.
Oh.
Much of what happens with this case will depend on that day.
Can we schedule a T-Raz too, to update it for T-Raz?
Sure.
If the court is gonna.
I'm happy to, but I'm still going to reset this case for February 6th
April 6th.
or April 6th because he needs to be.
It doesn't look like in his original T-Raz, Judge, that there was any indication of any drug use, and so now that we're seeing that, we want to have the T-Raz redone.
I'm okay with
We
it.
can
Sure,
address.
sure. Yep. We can send him for a walkthrough right now.
Well, they're in training, so no walkthroughs today, but I will
Okay.
send tomorrow.
Sure. Okay, or whatever day, I don't care. You can up to a week to do it,
Okay.
whatever you want, I don't care. Sure. Okay, great. So April 6th. Oh, hey, Steve didn't, I'm sorry. Montes didn't pick up any case. It's out of the same transaction. I'm not gonna revoke his bond. I thought it was a new case. Hey. I was wrong. Montes is not a new case, so I'm gonna leave it as is. I'm not gonna revoke it. Hi,
Hi, Jared. I'm just approaching on the.
just the last name.
Jones.
Okay,
I'm just approaching the reset.
bond or jail?
Bond.
Okay, what do we,
We're ready. They just here at the event support will be evaluated for offers. I just want to bring him in for a plea. He was late today.
okay, sure, yes,
Good. Okay. Thank
okay,
you.
have fun. Hi, Drew. What's up, man?
Yeah, approach.
Please,
I need.
hold on. Do you have a client?
I do not.
Okay,
No plan. I need some judicial guidance.
let's go back.
Okay. Okay.
I'm Fleischer, so I don't want.
Oh, yeah, yeah, no problem.
Okay, how is the team? Is on. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I don't know. You know, it's more at when she audience.
Yeah.
So. Well, great. I don't think, I don't talk them to see, but I'm still. Okay, thanks.
Oh, ultimately, that would good.
Because. Yeah. Just give it a couple minutes.
Did they just get here?
No.
Okay,
Case number
all right.
2608-134.
Yeah. Brianna Taylor, come on up, man. Rick, it's true. Yeah, wait, ma'am, you're okay, don't worry about it. Ma'am, you're charged with driving while your license is suspended. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you, ma'am. Okay. Oh, let me give you the cause number, sorry. It's 2608-134.
So this is coming from Deferred, but officer in Harris County on February 27th. Observed a motor vehicle in Houston, Harris County on a public roadway bearing a license plate. The defendant, so occupant later identified by the driver's license as the defendant, was operating a vehicle that was stopped for expired registration. The defendant was found not to have, as the term not eligible, driver's license status, and the vehicle was not found to be insured. That's it.
What was the stop for? Oh, expired registration.
Expired registration.
Got it. So what is the status of her license now?
Let me check. Not eligible.
And Ms. Taylor, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. As a condition of your bond, you were ordered not to drive. You do not have a license. You do not have insurance. Therefore, you are not allowed to drive. That is, okay, you don't have a license. Your license is not eligible. You cannot drive without a license. Do not drive. If you do, I'm telling you, I'm going to put you in jail. You still have to comply. I understand that you've got two great babies, but you still have to comply with the law. I can't, no. I will give you a lawyer today if you need one. You can ask the lawyer, but I'm just asking you to follow the law. If you don't have a license that's eligible, you're not allowed to drive. You understand? Victoria, do you mind appointing your lawyer, please?
Yes, Judge.
I'm going to appoint your lawyer. We will have bond conditions created for you to sign. Do not leave until you sign them. And if you just want to take a seat, we'll have someone can talk to you here momentarily. So no driving. Hey, you ready?
Judge, I'm Mr. Dosey, BDR. Waiting on discovery still. Nothing's in on it.
How do you do it? DOSIA.
Okay, so we're gonna, have we sent them yet?
Releasing videos.
So I'm giving him 50 days. So 50 days from the day that we ordered conditions, just let him know that he can't use. And we'll test him on the 50th day.
Okay,
So I guess whatever that is.
okay, thank you.
Just so Roxana, let's just test him again on the 50th day and we'll go from there. Okay.
Okay, thank you. I got it. Don't worry about it. I'll try to sure. Okay, okay. I got an investigator too.
Hey, what's up? Just the last name of your client, please. Okay.
This one, everything's been done already, but for some reason there wasn't an approval in the system, so I'm gonna say we put a PCI approval in there today, so hopefully they can send me the contract. And we can get everything done to the PCI.
Okay.
TIS is already done, everything's. We have everything, we just need the contract.
Okay, so pick a day next week. No more long resets. You're at 185 days. We'll give you like a week just to make sure that you get the contract and then we'll give you more time.
I'm going out of town tomorrow morning, I'll be back for spring break, and I'll be back.
Well, you can always zoom in too. I just want to make sure that you get it so you can just forward it to him or her so that they can go get it done. You know, 'cause we're at 190 days old now. Or you know what, we're gonna start hitting 230, then 250, and then now I've got every case like, you know what I mean?
We get the contract.
If you get the contract, come back to me sooner and then we'll give you more time. Absolutely. But I'm not, when we do long resets, this is, what you know what I mean?
Yeah,
So,
I'm gonna ask like a long reset, but if we get like two to do that. Once you have approvals, I'm sure.
well, I mean, okay, but then he's got to have everything done when he comes back.
Okay.
You know what I mean? So whatever you want, but I don't want to just keep.
Yeah, I'll get a short reset to get the contract.
Okay, all right. I got it wrong.
Just letting you know.
I had no idea. That's what I thought. Yeah. Pause. Go.
You want to be today, you gotta be easier to pick up, for ready for law, or do they just remove it at the end of the day? I usually go to, I think it's reset. It's like, yeah. So if I'm having follow today for tomorrow, so do you want to do something like that? Okay, is that good? Does it even help you guys in advance? I mean, I did the offering, we should yeah. It's just a bit. But you know, there's concerns on now, and we decided to some day under this. It's gonna go to tomorrow, so we're gonna know we're going. Okay, maybe we're going to try it out. Oh, we'll get there. No, that's good. Don't. That's good. We search that sort of. That's like. Yeah. And it's a percent plus on that face. Yes. Okay, so no, yes, I mean, we should go. It's got our teachers all about language. Yes, what we did. Okay. Okay. I think it's.
Okay, very good. Thank you.
Yes. Just a question.
The same. They have flights in Europe and they're right here in this spring. That's something.
Honestly, the person has, whatever gets says, or as for that.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm still thinking this. Just wanted to make sure on that. Yes.
I'm fully out there now. You know, that's to find out. So I want to make sure I understand exactly. Patient materials. So. Yeah, that's what I said, Indecent for also.
Yes, you have to email it, but I think we don't.
Oh, okay, yeah, I didn't know if you guys saw it.
Yeah, we don't see it.
Oh, cool, yeah, I'll have to go. Okay, thanks. Hey, what's good?
You have the one that shows here on.
Thank you.
Yes, it's now, you got if there's one there, go ahead and make it.
All right, House March 25, and
you're gonna have an adjudication, you're gonna go. So I put it on there because that's how they track it. And have to operate. Just in their comment with the why that was, and it doesn't matter what he's so, it's that, yeah, we did see him all the. I agree. But it shouldn't be policy. Oh, great.
That's the words to us.
Yeah, that's where it's at.
After more information, then we'll find out.
Reduced to something. A lot of people. Yeah.
So he was responding.
Two cases of full out. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Well, I think that's not on the, around my area. That bitch.
You see, come back.
Is this supposed to be? Yeah. Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Just a beat jack.
You're not gonna get rid of All right. Let's come to order, please.
Yeah, don't. Please, thanks. Hi, come on. Yes, ma'am. Just the last name. Who do you have?
Good name, Judge.
What's the last name?
Hernandez.
Okay.
Anthony Hernandez.
Did you figure out whether they're going to?
Yes, sure. It's one crunching new date. The state will not, stay in the teacher program.
Okay.
I did do some negotiating with the state, they're only willing to offer probation because it was positive days. He would like to accept that, judge, but would you allow, would we see it for him to consult with his immigration lawyer?
Yeah, just pick a day next week. Sure.
Okay.
Next week.
Okay, thank you,
Yeah,
Judge.
of course.
On Monday, do you mind if I put it into that next week, like not next week, but the next?
I mean, how likely are you to? How likely are you to actually go?
Oh, you mean that the problem, it is going. And I figured, maybe Friday.
Done. Okay, yeah, sure. No, we'll just do bond conditions. Did they file it? Did you file bond conditions on Taylor? The no driving?
I'm sorry?
Did you file the no driving on
Yes, I
Taylor?
did. I did. Yeah, okay.
Okay, good. Hey, come on up. Hey, just last name.
Simon is off docket, so I'm gonna give you the case number. 260-761.
Okay,
We had him earlier this week. This is the guy that works on the boat. I sent you an email, it's scheduling. I think I said it's Tuesday.
so from now on, when you email me, also include them too. So I'm gonna forward this to you right now.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Got it.
So that's it. I think we came up with a creative solution if you approve it. I talked to Roxanne, and I'm thinking that he'll still be subject to the random test, but on the time frames when he has to be on the vote, he'll have 24 hours to get tested after that day.
Okay, yeah, and then after that, when he's off, always random too. Yeah, all right, I'm down with that.
Okay, perfect. He's also not here today. He's not required.
Sure, waive the signature,
Thank you.
of course. Hi, counsel.
Good morning.
Ready? Hey, you've got this gentleman?
I got both of those gentlemen and one in custody.
Okay, anything you need? Okay, yeah, reset. Yeah, they just need signed conditions and then that's it.
May I be here?
Sorry, Dawson.
Hey, I need to see the bond conditions on Daphne. On Taylor. Hi, who's John? Because the way that he worded it says, don't drive without a license and insurance. It just no driving because she doesn't have one. So that gives her an out. Okay, Ms. Jones,
Good morning, Judge.
just the last name of your client.
Alaska.
Okay,
He just needs to get his bond conditions reinstated, as it comes out. The last certificate.
okay. Let me see how old this case is. So
He completed his two round custody, Judge, so at the next time, we could disposition.
you'll be what?
Disposition, Judge.
Yeah, you're at 150 days now, so we'll give you one more setting. At that next setting, it's either plea or trial. So get the scram today. No drugs, no alcohol, random testing, and then conditions will continue. If he tests again, tell him next time it doubles or triples again. So just let him know.
What I would ask for one modification, the midnight blow,
Say it again.
the midnight blow, the blow that he's required to complete at midnight, can we shift the time, Judge?
Well, he's gonna have a scram, so he doesn't have to blow.
Okay, all right.
That way, he's got it on 24/7, so I know that he's not gonna try to. Right. So don't worry about once he's got the strand, then he doesn't need the other one.
Okay, then. Thank you.
Okay? Yes, sir. Hi.
Morning, Judge. You have a paper. Correct.
Okay, Carlton, bro. Repeat offender. Yeah, okay. Mr. Brown, you're charged with driving while intoxicated, second offense. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. The state has agreed to reduce it to a first. You're still facing 180 days in jail to be probated for 18 months. You are giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. Once you accept this agreement, you can never change this or undo this. Mr. Brown, this now makes 2. What happens on the next one? 2 to 10 in the penitentiary if you pick up another DWI. And you don't have to be stupid falling down drunk to get another DWI. Just the smell of it alone, the smell of weed in the car, you're going to be facing a lot of time in prison. For you to complete this successfully, no drugs, no alcohol. And I'm telling you now, I'm going to test you like crazy. Random testing once a month.
Yes, sir.
You will do a repeat offender DWI education class, 2 victim impact panels. You must do a TRAS. This is an evaluation to see what are the conditions you need. If they assess other conditions, you must fulfill them. No drugs, no alcohol, no breath test refusal. If you were pulled over and an officer asks you to submit a breath test while you're on this probation, you must do it. If you don't, then you're in violation. I will issue a warrant for your arrest. I'm going to put you in jail. I'm telling you now, your bond is going to go high, and then we will have a hearing, and you're looking at 180 days. Do you understand? 12 hours of community service and a guardian interlock. Does he have a license at this time?
Check the judge.
Please.
That's what the guardian interlock, he does not have a car, he is on the ground device right now.
He had a car when he picked up the new
He did,
DWI.
but it got impounded and he didn't have the money to get it out. So he expects to get a car within 3 to 4 months, and he knows that he have to have interlock if he gets the car, but right now he don't have it.
You're going to be signing an affidavit with Nute promising you're not going to drive. Mr. Brown, there's no quicker way to go to jail for a very long time than you drive in violation of these conditions. Do you understand? I'm also now going to hit you with a $3,000 surcharge, but I will make you a deal. If you complete this successfully, I'm going to waive it. If you don't, if you violate this, I'm going to hit you with a $3,000 surcharge. And if you don't pay it, every $100 that you owe, you will sit 1 day in jail. So you can imagine on the $4,000 that you're going to incur right now, how long you're going to sit. You understand? If you do well, we will happily reward you. But if you muck this thing, it's going to cost you dearly. Do you understand? You must also perform 12 hours of community service. Is this how you understand the agreement? How do you plead to the offense, guilty or not guilty? I'm going to find you guilty. So you said the license is suspended.
It's not eligible, yes.
Okay,
Well, actually, Judge, he has an ALR here set on March.
it's suspended regardless, though, right? So you're going to be signing an affidavit. Above all else, do not drive. I'm warning you now. I'm not asking you to do anything crazy. I'm just asking you to follow the law. And there will be a heavy penalty if you go out there and you think you can just do whatever the hell you want to do. You are on probation. Your life is ours for the next 18 months. It can be either a life that's massaged or we can squeeze the hell out of it and make it really hurt. Do you understand? All that depends on you. You hold the keys to that cell, no one else. So when you're out there and you're going out with friends or you're going to work and you're going out after work, consider your moves, because a lot of times this life is who you hang out with, and you hang out with the wrong person, they're going to bring you down. In spite of all this, they're not on probation. Do you understand?
Lastly, Judge, would you consider reducing the probation fees for the first 6 months while he gets caught up? Originally.
Yeah, I don't, yeah, I don't, I'm gonna hit him with the super fine. That's the way if he violates, he's gonna be doing, but I don't, yeah, we'll waive the fees. I don't care about the money. I care about him doing well like he's supposed to. Mr. Brown, so far, the last 3 years. You understand? Good luck, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Just something I included insurance.
Don't worry about, I've got it right here. The thing is that for that one's for future reference, just put no driving. Because this says right here, not to operate a mode without a valid Texas driver license. I didn't know it was not valid. Whereas one, when you say just no driving, that's a definitive no. We're here, plausible deniability,
Okay. Thank you.
Of course. Hi.
Judge, how you doing?
Pretty good. Give me just the last name of your client. Come on in.
South Settle.
Okay.
You're a political guy and just need to fill out the contract and send the paperwork.
But it's 190 days old.
Yeah.
It's old. I know that upstairs it's not old, but down here it gets old. So we will give you 2 weeks.
Okay.
Everything's got to be submitted within the next 2 weeks. There's no more waived appearances as well. Okay. So assuming all that's done, they got to come here and then we're going to send them for a TRAS and then we'll give you another 2 weeks to finish it up.
All right.
So 2 weeks. Hey, so 2 weeks to submit the application. They got to be here. Okay, at that point, it's gonna be old, so if it's not submitted, I'm gonna bring his ass every day until he gets it. Yeah,
All right, understood. Thank you.
yes, sir.
You guys is done, the contract, was just sent back, February 11th.
Oh, Mr. Billy Rod, you had the contract?
Yeah, I don't know whether we sent it back or not, because the secretary was in charge of this. So you got.
Okay, so just give them 2 weeks so that they can, yeah. So all you need to do is get the in-laws and pay the fee.
Yes, that's good.
Okay, yeah. I thought none of that was done.
Oh, okay.
I got you.
March 25, 26. All right, yeah.
That's what it's called?
Yeah.
May I approach him?
Just give me the last name of your client, Yasha.
Martinez.
Okay,
State has offered a class for dismissal.
okay,
What was the name?
Street racing.
sure, of course.
So he's gonna take it and.
We'll give you a week.
Off docket. What's that?
A week?
I've been having like communication issues with him. He goes out of town for work. Can we get a little bit more time?
Sure, you're at 175 days. I'll give you 2 weeks. If it's not done, he's got to be here.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Judge.
Yes, sir.
Waiver?
No.
No.
Yeah, just like.
Ma'am, what is your name? Okay, I got you. Okay. Who, are any of you on docket today? No? Okay. So that's the last thing, and then aside from men, you want to go through the list?
Yes, page 10, French.
Okay. 10,000, and is that? So this is the third time, right? Okay, 10,002 on each. Got it. Are you ready? Yes, ma'am. Come on up.
Thank you.
Come up, Ms. Cawthorn. Okay. Yeah, it's super disruptive. Ma'am, you were placed or you're charged with driving while intoxicated. You are facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. You have worked out an agreement where they're offering you a 1-year deferred. This is a type of probation that if you complete it successfully, there's no conviction on your record. You understand, ma'am? But that means you give up so many valuable rights by entering into this agreement. You're not allowed to consume alcohol. You're not allowed to consume illegal drugs. You must do 2 classes. You must also do a TRAS, which is an evaluation to see what are the conditions you need. If you successfully complete this probation, then no conviction on your record. But you need to understand, for all intents and purposes, ma'am, if you get pulled over, officers will see this DWI. If you smell like alcohol or dope, what do you think is going to happen? They're going to what? Very, very possible. If it walks like a duck and it talks like a duck, I don't know for sure, but I'm going to tell you now, if ever was any benefit of the doubt, if you have a prior DWI and they roll up to you, I mean, imagine if they let you go and you kill a family of 5, what happens? You know, out of an abundance of caution, people don't like to think of this. So even if you have a sip of alcohol, don't get into a car. It is a huge risk. You understand? You give up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. The right to be arraigned, charged, read in open court. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You also give up the right to appeal. So once you accept this agreement, you are stuck with this until you complete it successfully or it gets revoked. If you do something to violate this agreement, we issue a warrant for your arrest, put you back in jail, bring you back out, and we have a hearing to determine if you violated the agreement. If you do, you are looking at 180 days. You understand? How do you still want to do this? How do you plead to the offense? Guilty or not guilty? I'm not going to find you guilty. I will withhold that for 1 year to give you time to complete this thing. Like I said, if you do it successfully, there's no conviction. Does she have a license to drive?
Yes, Your Honor, it's eligible.
Okay, you may continue to drive. I'm not going to suspend your license. Oh, you must maintain a guardian in the lockdown. Okay. Do you have any children?
No, sir.
Okay. You have to do 40 hours of community service as well, and no breath test refusal. If you were pulled over, an officer asked you to submit a breath test, you must do it while you're on this probation. Okay. What do you do for a living, man?
I'm an executive assistant to the director of a nonprofit.
Okay. Do you have an income?
Yes.
Do you have any children?
No, sir.
Okay, you can just reduce it regardless. All right, I'm asking you this because there's a lot of fees associated with this, and so I'm gonna reduce it to try to help you out. But if you test positive for alcohol, you pick up any DBI, and it's probably about the worst thing that you can possibly do. So just be careful. All right. If you have any questions, if you have any, ever have any issues, you can talk to me, you can talk to Shatoria, and we're always willing to help you. All right. Okay. Good luck, mate. Thanks. Take care. You too. No, no, I didn't suspend it. Yeah. 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 Mr. Henry.
Yes, Judge.
Hey, a couple things.
Yes.
So first off, I didn't revoke your bond on the first guy in custody. I
Okay.
didn't realize that he picked up the same, both cases out of the same transaction. He didn't,
Okay.
ours is not an old one where he picked up a new case. So I'm not gonna revoke the bond and I'll let the PR bond stand.
Okay. I think he was reappointed, Judge, because he requested a Spanish speaker.
Oh, okay, sorry. Well, for what it's worth, just to give
Right.
you.
Well, I appreciate it.
But I didn't revoke it.
Okay. Okay.
On this lady here. Well, can we just give her his phone number? So,
No,
oh,
I didn't have your name. I know, I have a phone. She already know.
so we're gonna give her, she's got two kids. They're really young and they're real loud.
Mhm.
So we're gonna give her your phone number and we're gonna tell her to call you now.
Okay.
It's a suspended license case. The only bond conditions are don't drive because you don't have a license. If she gets a license, then I'll take it off them.
Okay.
And-
Perfect, Judge. And then after she speaks to me, she's free to leave? Or after bond conditions?
We'll just pick a reset date. May 5.
Dang, you're going into May already?
It's an arrangement.
Okay, May.
I'm open in May. Yeah. I'm wide open in May.
What day?
5 through the 7th.
May 5th to the 7th.
Let's do the 6th.
Okay.
5-6.
Okay, man. Good luck.
I appreciate it. Thank you, Judge.
Take care.
Thank you too.
I have a Azua Torres.
Just last name.
Azua. AZUA.
In jail or on bond?
On bond. I know it's getting up there, but I don't know if it's necessarily.
Let me see. Yes, I mean, you're up there.
Okay.
You're 175 now.
Decision-making class, extensive driving, and $100 donation to Tree Racing Kills,
Okay. How long do you want?
30 days.
30? I'll give you 2 weeks. You're old.
3 weeks.
Fine. But if he doesn't have it done, let him know that I'm waiving it or day for day until he gets it done.
Stay for day.
Yeah.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, take care.
4 weeks.
Bless you. Okay, big, who's next?
Top of page 12, Gonzalez. Never came back.
What's the bond at now? 30,000, 60,004. Hey.
Did you have?
Who's next after Gonzalez?
Top of page 15, sexual arrangement goes to appear first time.
Which, top of page, which one?
That for rank itself.
2501.
Top of 25 with the condition for non-disclosure.
I granted it, yes. Oh. It was that, what's his name? Okay, I granted it.
Page 28. Did you speak with counsel about Smith?
No,
Required appearance.
5,002. Okay.
Next one, Judge, is right below that one,
Mhm.
Somerville.
Yeah,
Did you get a dismissal on that one?
no idea.
Yes.
And then bottom of 29, Sullivan,
Okay,
I received an email, he said he was sick and had,
he had the runs.
yeah,
What kind of runs?
and he specifically said that.
Oh. Who is this? What page?
Bottom of 29. And bottom posted.
Okay, so let him know he's got to be here SFBF tomorrow. He's not even appeared for an arraignment. Yeah, take some Pepto and you get at it. You know? Yeah, it's magic. It's pink magic.
And then we have a plea that we're waiting on.
Is that the last thing?
Yes.
Okay.
We did not get that. Is this us? Right. She didn't have it.
Yeah, she's doing something. That's about it.
Do you have the agreement on this one? Please. Gonzalez absconded twice, right?
Here, but I think she left because she has some conflict with the executive.
Guys, are you ready? Let's go. I have a meeting.
So are you need more?
Yeah, we just go for it, and we're,
No. Sure.
Did you have the?
Yeah.
Council, did you have the motion?
Yeah.
Okay. First of all, I'm gonna do it. Thank you.
No, I'm waiting for.
Good morning, Ms. Pace.
Good morning, Judge. How are you?
Just give me the last name of your client, please.
It is off docket. It's Revello, Revlo.
Okay, what's your cause number?
It is 2580543 and 44. Well, that's one of them.
Okay.
And I was actually trying to, if you didn't mind confirm with the prosecutor Nawar that we filed, did what we needed to do and see if we can get a dismissal filed and signed today if we had time.
She's looking at her email now.
Thank you. I'll hold.
Okay. All right, so Mr. Kanan, you're charged with indecent assault. You're facing up to a year in jail. The agreement that you have worked out is 1 year in Harris County Jail. It will be probated for 2 years. This means that it will go on your record. You understand?
Yeah.
You also understand, you need to understand that from now on, if you pick up another case like this, it's a minimum of 90 days in jail. You understand?
Yes.
You give up a lot of rights by entering into this agreement. You give up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You also give up the right to appeal. So once you accept this agreement today, you can never change this or undo this. Do you understand? Do you want to do this today?
Yes.
No one is forcing you to do this.
No.
Great. Okay, how do you plead to the offense? Guilty or not guilty? I'm going to find you guilty and I'm going to sentence you to 1 year in Harris County Jail. However, I will probate that for 2 years. As part of the agreement, you will have to do an effective decision-making class, thinking for a change, and 20 hours of community service. So the complaining witness, does she want contact with him or no?
No, Judge.
Okay, so there's no contact with the complaining witness in this case, okay? One more thing. The probation officers will have your life in their hands. They can either make your life easy or they can make your life very difficult. It's probably advisable for you to try to get along with the probation officers that you have. Be the first appointment in the morning, go there early, crack a joke, make them laugh so that they're on your side. If you get someone and they don't like you, it can go very wrong very quick. They have your life. They can massage your life or they can just squeeze it and make it a living hell. So remember, don't fight with them. Be nice. Don't have excuses. If you have your stuff done on time, things will go very well and we'll be out of this in no time. All right? Do you have any questions? Good luck, sir. Okay, you can reduce the fees. All right. Thanks, guys. Bye, Joe.
I saw you on Tuesday. I saw you on Tuesday.
Oh. Good to see you, Joe. All right, I think we're done.
What about Hernandez? You can send that to Reggie.
Which one?
It's on page 14, bottom of 14.
No, we rolled it to Monday. He set it for a plea.
Set it for a plea on Monday.
No, Joe, guys, on Hernandez, you wanted to set it for a plea. What day do you want?
Possibly on Tuesday?
We could do it today, Judge.
Huh?
We could do it today.
No, I have a meeting. I have to go.
Okay, what's it?
So, but isn't this the one where you wanted an immigration?
Right.
Or no, the guys on
No,
probation
check the
upstairs.
probation department.
Okay,
Probation.
we'll give you a week. Just make sure you do everything you need to do by the next week. That's it. We'll set it for a plea, okay? Okay. Just pick it. You tell me. Ms. Pace,
Is he forfeiting a weapon?
Yes.
And I'll call dismissal right now.
Okay, so make sure you put that in the thing, forfeiture of the weapon. Okay. All right, they're gonna file the nollie now, Ms. Pace.
On both cases, thank you, Judge. May I be excused?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. Sorry for the hold on your meeting.
Oh, stop.